Hello friends! In today's video, I'll show you how to use the new image playground feature in Messages on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone and go to an existing conversation. Alternatively, you can start a new conversation in the top right corner. At the bottom left, tap the plus button next to the typing box. From the options that appear, select Image Playground. You can also move it to the top for easy access by holding it down and dragging it from the bottom to the top. Now, you're in the image playground. To send any image directly from the playground library, tap the blue close icon in the top left corner. You'll see options for library and delete. Select the library, and you can directly send any selected image to send the photo. That's it. For new creations, tap on the plus button given here. You can create fun and personalized images using different tools. Now, you can choose from many templates to get started, then do any of the following. To create an image from a concept, tap a concept to explore a theme, costume, accessory, or place. To create an image from a description, tap Describe an image. Type what you want to see. And then tap Done to generate your custom image. To create an image of a person, tap the Person button and choose a person from your photo library. The person or appearance you select will be the starting point for your new image. Choose a person you want to edit, tap Edit, choose a new starting point, make adjustments, and tap Done. You can also create an image of a person without using a photo from your library. Tap Appearance, tap Edit, choose a skin tone and appearance setting, then tap Done. Create an image based on a photo, such as an image of a pet, nature, or food. Tap the plus icon, then tap Choose Photo or Take Photo. To change the image style, tap the plus icon, then tap Animation or Illustration. Note that changing the image style creates a new set of previews. To see variations of an image, tap the Previews bubble, then swipe left. When you're happy with your image, tap Done in the top right corner to save it to your gallery. If you don't save it, the image will not be stored. To remove a concept, tap the close X icon. Once you're happy with your creation, tap the Send button, the blue arrow, to share it in your conversation. And that's it. The image playground is a fun way to make your messages more creative and interactive. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more quick iPhone tips and tricks.